Hey, Brian from Garage Mall. Today I have a WORKPRO 7.2 electric rotary tool set. This is pretty awesome. Comes in a case. These are your directions, pretty quick read. And I love anything that comes in a case. So this is your set. You got a charging cord. You get a bunch of cutoff discs. And if you're not sure what those are, that's what they look like. And I already have one set up. That's what it looks like on the tool itself. Then these are all your accessories that come with it. You get a bunch of like round sanding pieces, some smaller sanding wheels are great for touching up your carpentry work. Then you got some other little sanding pieces. You got some buffing pieces. So if you're doing any detail work on your vehicle or anything, you can use those. You got a bunch of different little rubberized tips. You get basically like a steel brush that comes in handy when you're getting some rust off some smaller pieces. And then this is your tool. Kind of has a light on it. And that's your power level, so you can adjust your speeds. So let's put it on 3, and then we are going to use this, and I'll show you how it works. And this rotary tool is awesome, especially if you make some mistakes, like your nails go through and you miss the beam. So make it nice and clean. Let's do this one up here. So give it a nice clean look, so you don't have stuff like this. But yeah, this thing's absolutely awesome. Brian from Garage Mall. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.